Is this cat okay? Why is it just hitting? Why is it trying to hit the ground? Bruh, look at this. Look at this dude. Look at this. He's attacking. He moves like a player. That's weird. That is so weird. Bruh. Bruh. Look. It's hitting the door. It's trying to attack. Oh, I hit it. Sorry. It's trying to attack something. Are you okay? Are you okay? It's trying to sneak up on something. Cats attack rabbits, so there must be one around here. Most likely. It's confusing. Oh, boat. Yeah. Die boat. Yeah, this is a weird cat.